We live in a blue planet, so the majority of our planet is actually oceans. So imagine like having a house and you only know the first couple of meters of your entrance and everything else you don't know anything about. So this is the situation we have right now with our oceans.
It makes up over 70% of our surface area and more than 80% of the habitat space on the planet.
We're in a bit of a crisis with biodiversity at present because a lot of animals remain to be described. We actually don't know what they are. We don't know how many species there are in certain places, particularly underexplored places like the deep sea.
The further we go down, the less we know about the species that occur there, especially in the deep sea. Usually, like 90% of the species that we retrieve are new to science.
But not only is it huge and vast and contains a huge array of life, it provides many different absolutely essential services that we rely on every day.
They provide oxygen that we breathe. They process our waste.
We know that they're really important for regulating global climate. We know that they hold incredible amounts of biodiversity, and a lot of the organisms that actually live there, we know that they're important because they have novel properties which might give rise to, for example, new drugs being discovered and so forth.
Biodiversity is fundamental to our survival. So as humans, we need biodiversity for our food, for our medicines, to make the ecology of our ecosystems function. So it's absolutely critical. And in order to preserve it, we need to understand it.
The more we explore, the more we discover. And a single discovery can change our lives.
The challenge is that we know nothing about approximately 90% of the ocean. The Ocean Census program is aiming to change that.
This program will really speed up that rate of discovery and allow us to really get to grips with what is out under the sea surface, outside.
It is the most fantastic opportunity that we've had to date to better understand the complexity of life in our oceans. This will bring a huge group of people together to provide the conduit of knowledge which will expand our understanding of the oceans, and what we understand we care for, and what we care for will last us into the future.